Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, in today's episode, we've got a special episode because my microscope get an upgrade. Actually, it took an upgrade. Sorry guys if it's too loud. You see, this one now is mounted on over there. It's movable. I can move it, yes, forth and back, so it is working stiff and so on. I'll show you the. Sorry if it's too loud. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so let's switch to the photos. I'll tell you a wee story. So the first part is for those who would like to see what I've done. Yes, so I bought a VESA mount, and this VESA mount is actually VESA mount for the telly. Yes, that's correct. Yes, so let's just go. No, that's wrong. That's this one. This one. Okay, yes. So that's a VESA mount. See here, you mount your telly. So we know that VESA mounts for the TV can hold really many kilograms. Okay, so it's no issue that it will hold microphone, which it's lightweight comparing to a telly. Next, that's how I had it. So this is the stand, original stand for it, and that's how it came with a pipe. And that was okay. I was using it for 1.5 years, over 1.5 years. Yes, that's how I was using it. It only disturbed me when I need to use high angle, and I can't see clearly, what's at the higher angle. Yes, or the board is bigger in general, and the distance was, up to here from this really small, so it was annoying. So I bought this VESA mount. I removed the top where the TV is mounted. I bent these two to be flat because they were facing down. I was willing to use this this bracket, U-bend or whatever it's called. To be true, to find it even, because I didn't know how it's called even in Polish, so I've used Bard, the AI, to find the name. It's U-bolt or U-bend. Yes, so U-bolt. It's a name for it. And then you've got those ones which are for the aerial TV or other TVs. Yes, those. So this one, it doesn't show the price, but that's at Screwfix. You've got a product number, and that's £10. Yes, $9.95 or something. And then you've got those which are U-bolts. As I said, I've checked with AI. I didn't know, so my choice was to take this one without drilling, because I thought I can find M6, and I thought it's by 60 here, but actually no, that's internal width. So here it's only 34, here it's even less, 21. So I wasn't happy. The rest were, but on M8, yes, so unfortunately it didn't work. And here is by 53, but it's not. Screwfix normally store them, but they don't have, so I had to use that one. So I bought that one for £10. So I paid 15 for the wall mount with VESA standard. I turn it, I drill the holes to fit M8s with an ease. And look, it's on the wall, yes, hanging. But my wife will, design, you see, that's what it is here. But my wife would have designed this one in 3D based on the diameter of my pipe. So then what's happening is that you see, then I will be able to put it and squeeze it then. In that case, what it is, it needs only one correction here, because as you've seen on those photos, you see it's this shape, so that correction need to be calculated. Apart from that, it's ready, so I can 3D print it, but I need to let her know about this difference. She don't know about it, so she designed it so I can use flat. But it's for her, probably it's not a big deal. So yeah, so that's what it is. And guys, instead of paying 200 to 300 pounds for the scope extendable arm, no joke, I spent 15 on the bracket which I bought on eBay, and I'll show you as well so that you will see exactly which one I bought, because why not, because you can. Where it is, where it is, where it is, where it is, TV bracket, here you are. Let's go to the photos. Okay, so that's this one, and I paid $14.99. There were cheaper ones like for tenner, yes, and I didn't want those because, to be true, well, that doesn't have 5 years warranty anymore because I've damaged the surface, but it's double, yes, that's what I like, it's double, so it's really expandable. Now I've got better reach than I had with my regular one, and what it is really stiff, you know, it's really stiff, it's really nice, and that's £15, guys, $14.99, and then I spent those $9.95, so £25 plus petrol over there, let's say £2, so I've spent less than £27 for a microscope mount, yes. I spent on the Microsoft about £95, maybe, I don't remember the price. So in total I spent on the microscope about 120, maybe 122, something like that. But I've got good microscope with an arm, with everything, and somebody tell me that you need to spend £500-600 on the Microsoft, on microscope, yes. I would say it's not needed, yes. Why you would spend so much money if you can DIY the mount? If you can, if you don't have 3D printer, you can go to those PCB ways, or rather those JLPCB. They've got 3D printing as well, and or you can use some, you know, material which you don't have to 3D print, or even wood. You could do, you know, those things from wood, to be true. So you can do that way as well. No need for 3D printer if you don't have it. 3D printing is cheap. Wood you can have for free. So only some tools to scrape it off to the shape, and that's you. That's my mount for the scope. I'm super happy. It's working like a magic. I didn't even tidy up this. I need to look because it's 0201 capacitors and resistors, so I can't just bin it. I would bin it apart from maybe this, but as I know for real there are 0201 capacitors, resistors, and etc. I don't want to do it. Okay, and apart from this one as well, because these are transistors NPN type. So yeah, I can't like a job to do. I'll put it aside, so maybe I'll get back to it, you know, like later on. But that's it in this episode, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.